What's up? I am Alpha, and in today's video I'll be discussing with you how to use other indicators aside MA and AMA as we have discussed it in my previous video. If you know you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share so you can have access to those videos that I did previously. So in today's video I'll be discussing with you how you can use Bollinger Band indicator and how you can use KDJ indicator. So let's just use Dogecoin for instance today. Okay, yeah, so we discussed about this indicator and this indicator, but today we are discussing about Bollinger Band indicator and we're discussing about KDJ indicator. Yeah, so this is my Bollinger Band. What does Bollinger Band actually does? Bollinger Band actually is a momentum indicator whereby it determines the momentum of the market to know where the market is actually going. So Bollinger Band is very useful in trading. It is very useful in trading, as we have the upper Bollinger Band, we have the standard deviation line, and we have the lower Bollinger Band. Can you see a glimpse example of how people use Bollinger Band is when the candlestick chart touches the lower Bollinger Band, you have to buy, then it rose to the top. When it touches the upper Bollinger Band, then you sell. When it touches the upper Bollinger Band, you sell, then it falls. Can you see? Then it falls and you need to buy. This is strong. Let me tell you why this is strong. Let's take for instance as the coin, as you buy the coin, as you sell off the coin here, because it has touched the upper Bollinger Band, the coin didn't fall as soon as possible. It did some move before it actually falls, and when it falls to this place. Let's assume you buy your coin here and you are expecting it to rise back. Look at it, actually falls more, and that is gonna be a loss of money. So that is why I'm telling you that this way of using Bollinger Band is actually wrong. Bollinger Band is a momentum indicator whereby it measures how a coin is actually rising, how a coin is falling, and how to determine if there is a squeeze in the market. Look at, and a squeeze is a very big and huge what should I call it? When a squeeze is seen, it is very huge and big, that the coin is actually about to do something big. This is a squeeze here. Can you see it squeezes over here? It squeezes, and when it squeezes, after some time the coin actually fall. It actually fall and then it rose again. So that is what squeezes actually mean. So look at here now, it squeezes right from here, it squeezes, then the coin actually rolls again. So that is what Bollinger Band is basically used. But can you see here, there are many squeeze. It has been doing this squeeze for a very long time till it falls. And this is morning, guys. If you're a future trader and you know how to determine a squeeze, this is morning, guys. And right now it just did a squeeze finish. Can you see? Then it rose. So you can just take your profit here, and Bollinger Band can also be used in taking profit as well. Whenever I'm trading, actually my take profit is always a little higher than this upper line, than this upper Bollinger Band, or than this upper standard deviation. Why my set loss, my stop loss is always at this bottom. Once it touches the particular bottom, that's where my stop loss will be. So I use Bollinger Band to determine that as well. I hope you understand. So in my next okay, I told you I'll be doing Bollinger Band, and I told you I'll be doing for KDJ, or you can use KDJ in trading as well. So KDJ actually has three lines. We have the K line, the D line, and the J line. So this coin at the top, this particular purple is our J line, this yellow line is our K line, and this pink line is our D line. So your K line is your signal indicator. So once your purple line, your purple line is your signal indicator, and once it crosses over, that means once it crosses over here, that means you are buying. Can you see? Look at here. The moment this particular coin falls, our market begins to fall. The moment this particular purple line crosses over this yellow line and the pink line, this our particular market begins to fall. Let me take you to more examples. Look at here. Yeah. The moment this purple line rose over this and come back and falls, then our market begin to fall. Can you see it falls actually in the purple line, then our market falls a lot, especially here. So this is how KDJ basically work. You use it to determine when the market want to rise and when the market want to fall. So mixing these two indicators together with MA and EMA actually make a very huge difference and a precise and accurate technical analysis on Binance before you can actually enter a trade. So that's how you can use our Bollinger Band and our MACD on how to trade on Binance. So in my next videos, I'll be discussing with you how you can use our volume and our RSI indicators on Binance. Thank you so much for watching. Hit on the subscribe button below to have access to my other videos I will be making and my previous videos I've done, so you can actually gain more on how to use Binance interface and many other things on Binance. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscription button.